In this video, we're going to walk you through how to create a Voki and to embed a Voki into ITSLearning. The first step in creating a Voki would be to log on to www.voki.com. Once you're on Voki.com, you either have to create a login, or if you've already got one created, you would log in. After you've logged in, you'll click on the top tab that says Create, and that will bring you to a screen like this one, where you're able to customize your Voki character and begin creating a Voki. The first step in creating a Voki would be to pick your character. If the top thing says only in Voki Classroom, those characters are additional costs. To find a free Voki character, the best way to do it is to click on Customize Your Voki, click on Choose Your Character. Once you've clicked on that, it's going to bring you to a screen where you can choose random male characters. The political people are a cost. If you scroll over using the arrows, you can use all kinds of different things you can find that are free. Animals, dogs, cats, monsters, you can pick anything you want. So once you've selected a Voki, you pick the dog. Now you can start customizing. So you can go from the main character to their head styles, their lips. If you scroll your cursor over and it's not moving, it means it's not active for that Voki. So you can't change hairstyles on a dog. But what you can do then is click Done once you've customized your Voki. Now we're going to move on to giving it a voice. The first option you have is the telephone. If you click on that, it's going to give you a phone number to call in to use your own voice. The second option is text to speak. If you click on that, it's going to allow you to type whatever you want in. Your third option is recording with the microphone. You should be able to record your own voice using a microphone directly onto Voki. The option I've used the most is this text-to-speech one. Once you've clicked on that, it's going to open a window that allows you to text your information into the window. So you'll be typing in whatever information you want to put in there for that Voki. Once you're finished typing, the next step would be to choose your language, which generally is English, and then you can choose a voice to fit the character you've chosen. You can give them British accents, you can give them American accents, you can have male voices, female voices. Sometimes it's fun to play with. Once you've got your text in and your voice is chosen, you would click Done. After you've listened.
Hello, how are you? I hope this was helpful.
So you would click on the arrow to listen, and you would click Done. Once you're done, you'll come down to the Publish button. You'll click Publish. This is where you give it your own title. You can give it whatever name you want to give it and save it. It'll take a second for it to save, but once it's saved, it's now going to be created and saved in your Vokis. The next step to get this embedded into your ITSLearning page would be to select the size that you want to embed. I believe the medium and small is best. We've always used the medium. The next step is to click Copy. Once you click Copy, it's going to copy the entire URL site that you will need to embed it into your ITSLearning. Once you've copied it, you need to go back to ITSLearning and click Add Bulletin if you want to put it into your bulletins. All right, from here you need to name your bulletin. So you can name this anything you want. You will need to, like any other bulletin, tell when you want it published and when you want it removed. Once you get to that point, you need to click on Insert. Sometimes this takes a second. You need to click on Web 2.0 content and then paste your own code, and then paste the code that you copied right into that window and click Insert. Always click No here, because this will allow anything to come through even if it's not secured. Once you click Save, it should embed your Voki right onto your bulletins page. This is a great way to put anything in there for if you're going to be out for a day, if you want your kids to see it. There are also other places you can embed a Voki, but you can then listen to it just by clicking on the arrow.
Hello, how are you? I hope this was helpful. Hello, how are you? I hope this was helpful.
All right, so if you do have any questions, feel free to either email Mr. Beating or myself, and we'll be glad to help you. Hope this was helpful.